Asari Dokubo don't give him review for the protest wey took on in Nigeria, end bad governor protest, and this is what Asari Dokubo said, that the heavy protest took on in the cities of Southeast, all over Southeast, in Enugu, in Imo State, in Ebonyi State, in Anambra and other states for inside Abia State. All the whole place that I mentioned now, that there is a heavy protest that took on in these areas. And what happened is that the ESN and Ipob come out and buy a lot of people for this protest. Now I can't say sure. No, before this Southeast, where would they? Where the protests happen? Abi Asari Dokubo is doing imagination during his sleeping, according to what he talked for this video, which I go play on. My people, as that one they have, one of our brother don't come aside, come tell the Ikwere people where they claim say they no be Igbo, say their ancestors from Benin. Now this our brother come tell them that if Biafra come, that they should prepare to go back to the Benins, because the land they occupy belongs to the real Ikperes, which is the Igbos. That he don't understand why he's claiming that he's from Benin, why he don't have any culture with the Benin people where he claim he come from. Video for you guys. So I want us to watch the video, what Asari Dokubo say in this video. Please watch this video from beginning to end for you to understand and hear everything we talk for this video before we go come back, continue. Don't forget to see there for blabbergis. Please, as they watch, make sure say as they watch am, make sure say they share the video so other people go get the information and know what they go on.
That took place in Nigeria, which they tag movement against bad governance. From the beginning, I told you that the whole episode was organized by persons who do not wish Nigeria well, who do not wish their fellow human beings well. The whole protest, people can pretend, they can have flowery words, they can speak big English. No, they baking one. Baking baby, fiete, to mina poma, and then whereas a bombastic elements. They speak this English to deceive people, and then they mislead other people into doing things that will lead to destruction, will lead to injuries, and will lead to death. I remember when we were small in Hotel de Jordan, in a popular television soap opera series, there was this song Idemudia and in Brigade Behu used to sing. As they paid me, then they put for them fire. If you don't know, I tell you, na me they talk. Poor man they suffer, monkey they walk, bamboo they chop. Poor man they suffer, monkey they walk, bamboo they chop. As they paid me, then they put for them fire. If you don't know, I tell you, na me they talk. If you don't know, I tell you, na me they talk. Poor man they suffer, monkey they walk, bamboo they chop. Poor man they suffer, monkey they walk, bamboo they walk. If they bend you, then they put for them fire. If you don't know, I tell you, 'Cause I tell you, na me they talk. If you don't know, I tell you, na me they talk. Poor man they suffer, monkey they walk, bamboo they chop. Poor man they suffer, monkey they walk, bamboo they walk. If you don't know, I tell you, na me they talk. If you don't know, I tell you, na me they talk. If you don't know, I tell you, na me they talk. Yes. Now, who are the people who suffered? Let us review and evaluate what happened in Kano before this madness started. This whole episode of madness started. Some of us, we predicted what will happen. 3:30-something a.m. on the morning of when this madness was to start, I had a live program. You can go back to my video and I stated everything that was going to happen. So now, the fire is going down in Kano, in Katsina, in Jigawa, in Kaduna, in other places, in Imo, Abia, and Enugu. There was this false narrative that demonstrations were not going on in the Southeast lie. The version of what was going on in the Southeast was even worse and more sinister than the one that went on in the North. ESN and Ipob people went out to kill innocent people. POS operators kidnap people, burn goods of people, food items coming from the North. Trailers were burnt, and people come to give the narrative that the Igbos were not protesting live. Why do people always like to give false narratives and lie? We saw what happened in Kano, we saw what happened in Plateau, we saw what happened in Katsina, we saw what happened in Kaduna. Who suffered the pain most? Is it the rich? Are they awesome and are rich people nice of her past? No. Now poor people nice of her past. Now poor people chop and loot pass. Now the small things with poor people, the same poor people you said you are coming to fight for, they were your first target because they were vulnerable. Because they were vulnerable. People have lost everything, their livelihood, they've lost their income. Totally, they are going to start all over again. Because what? You hate Ahmed Bola Tinubu. We were all here. They put us under lockdown during COVID. We were in our house, nobody was going out, nobody was going to buy anything. We did not protest. We were here. They changed the naira, and somebody will take 30,000 naira to buy 100,000. We did not complain. We were starving. In this country, it happened. We were starving to death. We did not complain. In fact, these same people who are leading this protest were in support. Labour Party, OB, and his bingos were in support of the pain that Emefiele and his goons inflicted on the people of Nigeria, on the ordinary masses of Nigeria. There was somebody that I had to go and rescue. He sold 3 million naira for 1 million. He sold 3 million naira for 1 million naira. And all of a sudden it was announced. I told him, hey, I can't keep, it's not you now, I can't keep this money. He went and sold. And a few minutes later, it was announced that the old money, the old paper, and the new paper will run concurrently. And he started crying, and he met the man. The man said, no. I went and met the man. I said, give this man his money. After we argued and argued again, he took 300,000. 10% of the man's money. A poor man, 3 million. I had to give him 500,000. I had to give the person 500,000. Pains. We did not protest. We were buying our own money. 30,000 for 100,000. So for every 100,000, you are going to lose 30,000 naira. We did not fight. We did not complain. We were here when they gave billions and billions in the anchor program for rice farmers. Some people cash out, took the money, went and bought private jet, made investment in Dubai, made investment in different places, just show small farms in Niger and other places. We were all here. We did not protest. All Nigerians were not given equal access to those funds. We did not complain. We were here when money was given for aviation operators. People collected hundreds of billions. Today we are paying more. We are paying more for air freight. We are going from Abuja to this thing. The other day, I paid 370-something thousand. After bailout funds were provided with our own money, our common patrimony, our common wealth, we cannot benefit from it. Rice that was 15,000. Now it's 80,000. It's 82,000 here in Port Harcourt. You are in Obama, a bag of rice. We did not protest. People collected our money. We waited, we carried that burden for 4 years. We finished. That's the beauty of democracy. And we have been saying, wait for the 4 years. If you are not satisfied, vote this government out. If the policies of this government are not meeting the expectation and the needs that you expect, then keep your card safe. Don't come in and create anarchy, kill innocent people. Look at the number of people that were killed. They twisted my words, which are even trending. My video clips are there. I even clearly said where your right stop. That is where my right begin. That don't bring your demonstration near me. And nobody dare to bring that demonstration near me. Because if you bring your demonstration close to me, you will connect. Woto, woto, woto. It's not by words. It's not by talking. You are doing your demonstration in Port Harcourt. It's none of my business. I am anti-protest. Don't bring your demonstration near me. My videos are there. I don't owe anybody any apology. If you come out and you bring it near me, then you are infringing on my right. And I will show you. Wallahi billahi, I will show you. Because I did not bring my own near you. So, where is Dokubo Asari? You don't know where Dokubo Asari is. Was I in the moon? Was I not within Nigeria? So I will come to where you are jumping in Port Harcourt when I don't live in Port Harcourt. When Wike said in Tor and I packed and sold my property and came to Obama. Because of you, I will drive to Port Harcourt. Why can't you drive to where I was? And see whether you know go to go. But I didn't want to, because so many well-meaning Rivers people, Niger Delta people called me and say, please pass Sisi, go so. In the way go Kwema, anything they say, don't talk to them.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video to this extent, you know that this man called Asari Dokubo has a problem with Igbo and Ipob and whatever, whosoever he have problem with, but that should not allow him to be saying lies against all the Igbos, because everyone witnessed that Southeast is under lockdown. Most of the videos they are bringing up are old videos. It didn't happen in Southeast, but I don't know why this man keep on blackmailing or putting things up against the IPOBs and the Biafrans, which is the struggle he himself was the one who is piloting it before. So I don't know what happened to him, but however, drop your own opinion in comment section. Now I want us to look into this video that this our brother made concerning Ikwere people, and here is what I'm going to say in this video. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
There is no need engaging in a long argument or negotiation on whether the Ikweres are Igbos or not Igbos. The Ikweres have admitted that they are from Benin, that they are not Igbos and got nothing to do with the Igbos. So the truth is that when Biafra finally come, you people should start warming up, because we have no option than to send you back to Benin. The territory and the land you are occupying is Igbo land. We have evidences and proof, because all those land bear our names and not Benin names. All those land got no contact with Benin and has nothing to do with Benin. So when Biafra comes, it's a promise that we will repatriate all of you back to Benin. It's a must. We don't care what the world say. If the world will watch the Jewish being massacred all over Europe, and the world will watch the Europeans today massacring the world will watch the Jewish today massacring the Palestinians, all these conflicts are because of land. The world will watch we and you people massacre each other, and he that is stronger than the others will become the winner. So you people should start getting ready, because internet never forgives nor forgets. You have admitted and said with your own mouth that you are not Igbos, that you are from Benin. So just get ready. So when we start sending you people back to Benin, it shouldn't be something to be called for what is happening or what is going on, because from your own mouth you have confessed that you are not Igbos, that you are Benin. So you cannot come to Igbo land, our land that is in our territory, that got our name, that got our identity, that has every proof to do with us, just because we borrowed you. Today it's now your own. No. Even the Benis that came from Benin that are living in Onitsha today, the Benis that came from Benin that are living in Onitsha today are not talking as nonsense as you people are talking. You hardly hear them say we are from Benin. Everybody know that Ndi Onitsha came from Benin. We don't insult them, we don't embarrass them. They are our own, we leave them there. Today if you tell them to go back to Benin, you're gonna have a problem. We will send you back to Benin. We will send you back to Benin. Just the same way the Lagosians are asking us to leave, we send you back to Benin. You understand? So it is not a crime, it's not a sin. Sending you back to your father's land is not a crime. We will send you there and we will take over our land. Come on, bag, idiot. Come on, get away.
Okay, my wonderful people, as long as this information that this our brother give here did not come from the directorate of state or the any leader of IPOB or Biafra struggle, however, I said this is just his own opinion he's saying. But here come to what I want to say. It's true that the Ikweres have 90% culture, 100% culture with the Igbos, and I never see any culture they have that related to the Benins where they are claiming they are from. But however, this should not let us to fight over some group of people in social media which they can't even come outside publicly to defend themselves. Yes, we can see one of the chief and other people, group of people, but remember that when Mazin and the Carlo is in London, when Mazin and the Carlo have not been arrested, that there is a numerous of protests that took place in Iguacha, in Port Harcourt, in different states in River State, even in Ikweres as well. And numbers of the Ikwere people admitted they are IPOB. IPOB have biggest family in that particular place. So we should not look on the group of people that is coming on social media to say whatever they like. That is, when time reach, then the referendum, because Biafra is not going to be like the government of Nigeria, where when things is being everything is ringing, everything is wayo, everything is flooding. So it's fair and free referendum we took on. Whatever they decide will not be their fate, so we will not decide anything for anybody. Guys, please share this video and make sure you subscribe and also follow us on our social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.